Hi, Zoe. I just thought I would call you and see how you are doing. Do you want to meet up for coffee sometime?
I think that will be fine. We can meet at the coffee shop on Main Street.
I am glad you decided to meet with me. I had such a good time with you at the restaurant. I was shocked when you texted me that you didn't want to see me anymore.
I am sorry about that. Something happened at the restaurant that I don't think you are aware of. My ex John was there with his new girlfriend Brenda. He was looking at me and she got mad and broke up with him.
I had no idea.
John then came to my house and begged forgiveness for leaving me and wanted to get back together with me. And to top it off, Brenda, the girlfriend, is a new client of mine at my business. It's all kind of crazy.
What did you say to John?
I said I didn't want to get back with him, but I must admit I miss him.
That's understandable. It's hard to let go of relationships sometimes.
Did you get the picture I sent you?
Yeah, I got it.
Your ex Zoe seems to have moved on from you pretty quickly.
I'm not with her anymore, so there isn't really anything I can do about it.
Well, I just thought you would want to know that she is seeing another man. By the way, I saw you at her house yesterday. You were walking out of her house and getting in your car.
Yes, she wanted to talk to me about you.
Me? What do you mean?
She was asking me about you because you are her client and I was dating you, so she was just curious, that's all. Kind of like you asking me about her.
Oh, so she knows I was the girl you were dating? Oh, John, I told you not to tell her that. Now it will be so awkward doing business with her.
I am not going to keep secrets. Besides, I am not with her anymore, so nobody is doing anything wrong. Let's just forget about all of this, Brenda. How about we go to Georgetown for the weekend and move on from all of this mess? I made some mistakes at the restaurant and I want to make it up to you.
Well, okay, we can spend the weekend.
Okay, I will pick you up tomorrow morning at 9. How about we go to Georgetown again like when we met? You can bring your friend and I will bring my friend. He's from Tennessee. It will be a fun hangout. There won't be any pressure to date or be romantic or anything like that. Just friends having fun.
That would be great. I will call Hayden.
I will call my friend Evan. I will make reservations for hotel rooms in Georgetown and I will text you the details.
Okay, it will be nice to get away from all the stuff I have been dealing with lately. Hi, Al. I am in my room. Do you want to meet downstairs for a drink?
Sure, Evan and I will leave now. Evan, this is Zoe and Hayden. It's nice to meet you, ladies.
It's nice to meet you too. He sure is cute.
Let's go to the music bar. It's only a few blocks away. Let's walk there. Zoe, are you okay?
Zoe, what's wrong? I just saw John and Brenda getting into a car together, but it's okay. I am here to have a good time. I should not be worrying about what John is doing. That's a great bar. I heard a lot of good things about it. Let's go there.
I just saw Zoe go in there with some other people. I don't think we should go there.
Really? Oh, John, are we ever going to be able to go out somewhere and not have to worry about Zoe? Zoe, Zoe, Zoe. All we ever talk about is Zoe. We need to go in there and act normal. She will continue to be a part of both of our lives, so we need to learn to face it.
Okay, I guess you are right.
Beans telling things are well.
Do you want to go for a walk with me?
Sure, it's getting a little hot in here.
I am really glad Al invited me to come here. Otherwise, I would never have met you.
I feel the same way. Where are you from?
Tennessee. I grew up there but came here for college and ended up staying here.
That was a nice walk. We should head back now. Did you see John and Brenda at the bar?
No, they were there? I was spending a lot of time with Evan.
I noticed that. I am glad you hit it off with him. I just can't believe John and Brenda are here.
Oh, Zoe, you need to either move on and forget about John or get back together with him. There is no in-between. The in-between will make you crazy.
Oh, Hayden, this trip was a mistake. I need to go home. I am sorry.
I want to stay. I really am having a good time. I wish you wouldn't go.
Maybe Evan can take you home. I am sorry. I am going to go home. Seeing John with Brenda is just too much for me to bear.
John, don't leave. I didn't mean to say that Zoe was a nuisance. That goes to show that you are still hung up on her. You are right. I am. I love her. I can't keep pretending I don't. I am very sorry, Brenda. I have to go now.